Okay, now let's work on another log equation. To get started, I'm just going to combine these two logs right here. And since we're adding, according to log rules, I can actually just multiply the contents. So I'm going to have log of 4 minus x times x. That's just equal to log 12 on the other side of the equation. Great. Now right away, every time I have something like log a equals log b, I can just say that a equals b. So the logs just basically cancel out, and we have 4 minus x. Oh, I had made a mistake. I had forgotten the negative here. Very important. Hopefully it didn't confuse anyone. But there we go. So I can bring down to 12. And now what I can do is that I can distribute the negative x. So 4 times negative x is negative 4x. Negative x times negative x is x squared. Positive x squared, of course, because negative negative makes a positive. Great. Now, I can actually just subtract 12 from both sides of the equation. So I end up with negative 4x plus x squared minus 12, but I'll put the x squared first. It looks a little bit better that way. So we have x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Great. Now, how can we solve this? I'm just going to factor. I'm going to factor the trinomial and solve the quadratic equation by factoring. So what two numbers multiply to negative 12 and add up to negative 4? How about negative 6 and positive 2? Sorry, did I not give you enough time for you? I bet I have. Everyone probably figured it out. If you'd like some practice for that, by the way, you can visit our website. Anyway, so we have x minus 6 times x plus 2, and I want to figure out what x is equal to. So in this case, we have 6. 6 works because 6 minus 6 is 0. And a negative 2, because if I have negative 2 plus 2, that's 0. Great. So are these our answers? Is x equal to 6 and negative 2? No. We're actually going to need to reject the positive 6. Oh, whoops. I wanted a different color. Here we go. I wanted blue. 6 doesn't work. Why? If I were to plug it in right here, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. And the log of a negative number just doesn't exist. So we need to reject the 6 completely. It's gone. But what about the negative 2? Does that work? Yes. Because if I plug in the negative 2 there, I get 4 minus negative 2. Minus a negative makes it a plus. 4 plus 2 is 6. So that works. And over here as well, because negative 2 is also positive 2. And we can have the log of a positive number. Yes, we can. So negative 2 works. So x is equal to negative 2. That's it.